Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the story shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has raised concerns about the number of times the central bank has intervened into the foreign exchange market. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, says it has intervened in the foreign exchange market 17 times since the start of the year, injecting US $470 million from the net international reserves and withdrawing billions of Jamaican dollars from circulation. According to the IMF, reducing the Bank of Jamaica's purchases in the foreign exchange market would increase supply to end users and lower exchange rates. It says the BOJ's buying activities drive up demand and prices, making the system less efficient. The IMF believes a more hands-off approach would increase the amount of foreign currency available to end users and help reduce costs in the market. Supreme Ventures Limited, SVL, has advised shareholders that it has been granted an extension of 30 years on its existing lottery license. The update was disclosed in a notice posted on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. The extension provides SVL with a renewed mandate to continue offering its suite of gaming products to the Jamaican market well into the future. The gaming and lottery company launched its lottery operation in June 2001. For the trading period ending June 30, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 17,474,857 units traded, representing 26.21% of market sales volume. Microfinance company Dollar Financial Services Limited, with 8,347,759 units traded, representing 12.52% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaican Highway Limited, with 6,378,507 units traded, representing 9.57% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 30, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $81.15 million purchased and US $82.33 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.40 per dollar, selling the US at $160.36 and buying the US at $158.96. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders $5.83 per transaction, with selling at $119.37 and buying at $113.54. The British pound yielded forex traders $3.75 in profits, with selling at $218.99 and buying at $215.24. For our credit report tip of the day, behind every strong credit score is a person who decided to stop playing small and start using money as a tool for power, not pressure. Today, I want to share with you transformational ways a strong credit score opens the door to premium credit card perks and how you can harness them to fuel your abundance. Do you have a business trip in New York or a retreat in Bali? Credit card points can cover flights, hotels, even upgrades, letting you invest your cash where it matters most. Also, as you care for your credit score, you get awesome benefits like retreat in luxury airport lounges. Priority pass access means you arrive, relax, and recharge. When you step into the plane calm and collected, you step off with clear intent. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.